Hi, good morning. I'm here again, trying to document my daily activities, just like today. I'm doing walking. Usually it takes 2 to 3 hours a day. And yun. Actually, yung target ko talaga, so as much as possible, everyday ko siya gagawin. Kaya lang ngayon, bago yung schedule ko. So before kasi, ang starting shift ko is from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. And now, nabago siya. So it was started last week. So shift ko is from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So probably makakarating ako ng bahay around 7 to 7:30 a.m. So yun. Excuse me. Yung mga kasabay ko, I think sila yun. Look at those two person. Yan. Yan. Yung dalawang yan. So, I believe they're Noemi and Wena. Ayan. So, nag-start sila usually na 5:30 a.m. So, ako 7:30. So, I'm going to like for about 2 hours. Ayan. So, look at the view. Here. Diba? Pasunset na siya. Pag ako umalis ng bahay, maambon-ambon siya. But I can manage it. Yan. Inom na lang tayo ng maraming vitamins. Like vitamin C, vitamin D, fish oil. Yun lang. So, bukas ulit. Bye!